This video shows you how to add candidates to your course who have not booked through Just Go. If you have not yet linked your candidates to your provider account, please first view the video How to Link Candidates to a Provider, and then come back to this video. Okay, I need to add 2 candidates who've booked through my own provider website, not via Just Go, so that they can get their certificates. So I go to Event Management, I find the course that I want to book them onto, and here it is. Price is 0 and the availability is 0 at the moment, and it's in accepting booking status. So I'm going to edit the event, and I'm going to scroll down to the ticket, and I'll use that pencil icon again to edit the ticket, keeping the price at 0 because the people have already paid you, so you're just adding them to the course yourself. Quantity available, I'm going to say I've got 3 people booked and I want to add 3 at this time. I tick the tick box to accept it. Now I'm going to use the cog icon to go into the advanced settings, and where it says do you want to set ticket availability dates, I'm going to tick that and then make sure that the booking start date and the booking end date are allow me to add bookings at this time. So the start date is fine. Booking end date is May 2023. Well, we're actually in November now, so it wouldn't allow me to add bookings because the ticket is closed. So I'm going to go to, it's November 23rd today. I'm going to do this job today, so I'll make the booking end date tomorrow. And that just allows me to be able to add people because we're not past the 24th. I'll click the done button to save that. Then what I would do is, remembering that this is in accepting booking status so that we can add bookings, but we now have 3 tickets available at 0, so we're actually going to change the listing privacy to private while we work on this, just in case somebody comes along, sees a 0 price ticket and books a really cheap navigation course. So private for the listing privacy, and we scroll back up and we save it. Okay, so now we go to the Manage Booking area. We click Create Booking, Add Member, type in the person's name, and you hit Enter. And then you can choose the person. In fact, I'm going to choose 2 people here. So click Done. And you can keep on adding candidates like this by Add Member, typing in their name, clicking, and until you've got everybody listed here who is on the course. I just had 2 people on this one, so I'm done now. It says registration incomplete. You can just ignore that. There's a default disability form that we've added, which is there for when people book via Just Go, but you don't need to worry about that. It won't stop you from continuing. Once you've got everybody listed here, click on Confirm Booking, and now you can proceed to the cart. If you don't proceed to the cart, if you click No Not Yet, let's say you've forgotten to add somebody, it'll look like everybody's disappeared from the screen, but they're actually waiting in the cart for you, so you do not need to add everybody again, just the ones that you missed. But this time I'm going to click Proceed to Cart, and there you can either pay by card, or if you are an admin for your provider, you'll have the option to pay by invoice. If you do request an invoice, ensure that you fill in the details required correctly. It will email the invoice to you. Check your spam if you don't see it, but you will also have the option to download it from the screen at that point as well. Your candidates will now be on the course, and you can proceed with completing the course report. If your course hasn't run yet and you want to keep advertising it, you need to make it public again. You do this by editing the course, scrolling down to the listing privacy, and making it public again. Don't forget to scroll back up and save. Now the course has got your bookings on it, but it's still open and visible for other people to make bookings by your own website.